What if Earth's land was replaced with water? Nah, that will never happen. I told you, All right. Let me tell you what else might happen. Me first. Lions will lose their crown. How come? Simple. The sharks will snatch it away from them. Interesting. All right, next point. People who suffer from aquaphobia, the fear of water, may leave for a different planet. Would you like to make one more guess, Uh-huh. Earth will now get very lonely. Why is that, Simple. Because the moon will not recognize it anymore. It may pack its bags and leave. You may be right, Wait, I have one more point. Expensive cars will be of no use anymore. People will start ditching them. Nice point, Thanks.
What if Earth landed on the sun?
No big deal. Always lands on the sun.
Firstly, if Earth landed on the sun, all the water may boil away. People may start visiting different planets just for a bath. Secondly, sun is extremely hot. If Earth landed on the sun, there will be no more snow left on planet Earth. Thirdly, sun is huge in size. If Earth landed on the sun, people living in small apartments may shift to a lavish palace on the sun. Fourthly, if Earth landed on the sun, Earth may start thinking that all planets are revolving around it. Fifthly, if Earth landed on the sun, nights will be a thing of the past. One may find people sleeping in broad daylight. Lastly, if Earth landed on the sun, no more electricity bills. Everything will now run on solar energy.